Anyways, I just got my new bike. I unboxed it and put it all together. I got some new parts on it and stuff, and one old part. I'll do a bike check on it. I'm gonna start from the front. It has a Fiat 2.25 tire. With tan walls, single wall. A Leanman HL32 front rim, right there. I have animal blue peg on the front. Fit forks. Here's one of the parts to put on it. It's a Shadow Conspiracy top load stem, Strike 2 TL, FBC Fit VH2 bars. I think they're Fit. Yeah, they're Fit. Fit grips. I have Odyssey clear, but these are pretty good on there, and I don't want to mess them up, like pulling them off. And then when I put my other ones on, they're gonna be loose and crap. So I'm leaving them on for now. Stock brakes. It doesn't have any scratches on it besides right there because I was doing something. It has stickers on it. It's a FBC VH2 frame, trans teal, twisted PC clear pedals, Colony V2 cranks, right there. This is the old seat. I just like it because it's white. It's E-clad. Plastic. Stock chain. I had another chain. It was a white mechanic chain, but it broke when I was trying to put it on. But I kind of like that one better. But I have a Fit 2.1 back tire, tan single wall again. I don't know what kind of rim this is. It's a Revenge Industrials double wall 6061 10-6 alloy. I have a Fit Bike Company 25 tooth sprocket, and another animal peg on the back in black. They didn't have blue, but yeah, that's about it. I'm missing one of them things. I did a 6 stair and it fell off. The other one has. I'm gonna have to put a black one in that one. So yeah, there's my bike check. Tell me if you like it, and tell me how much you would give me for it if you wanted to buy it in the future.